hardly go 5 miles an hour.
Oh, Keith, get the Keith, good.
There you go, bitch.
That's what I was.
There you go. Take that.
He's kidding me.
Gives near me.
Shots fired! Shots fired! Get it, little punks! Get it, little punks! Let's go, but you like a little bitches face down and ass up, right? Caitlin? Somebody needs their mouth washed out with soap.
I like this guy conducting traffic.
Every once in a while, you're like, somebody's got something, you know? Like, every once in a while, you're like, somebody's real. You're like, not everybody's a petty. You're like, every once in a while, like, somebody's real. I'd like to dare to believe. This is what I say. I mean, like, I guess it's not true. People don't like it, and I shouldn't spit it much, but can I get in here for just a second?
Till you meet this lady.
What I'd like to say, I want to call the cops, too. Call the cops, they're in the hospital. Thanks for the help.
Watch out, dude.
You fucking bitch! You hit my family! How dare you! Yeah, my family! You better shut the fuck up! No, fuck that! My dad's on fucking terminal hospital, you cunt!
Okay. The only worst rapings that I ever had, my original rapings were the cop rapings. The cop rapings and the military rapings were the only ones worse than the original rapings. I just want to tell you that my only rapings were worse than the cops. She's not got a photo makana. She's 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 got a photo makana. Isha's got a photo makana. She's got a photo. Well done. Well done. Hands on me again. She has her hands on me. Against our agreement. Kill me now. Thank you.
Hey, I got a rat.
Oh God, is somebody touching me? Are you touching me? And somebody's touching me. I'm sorry, just hold up.
Nicholas, off of you.
Standard procedure.
Ready?
Washington, Florida.
You hit a car with somebody on hospice and somebody pregnant.
Alright, man, try to use your legs to get up.
Ready? Stand.
Wait, please, 1 second.
There we go.
Sorry. Do you have a tissue?
I don't.
I was accused. Sort this out a bit. It's a short out. No, she's actually saying that. That's not what I said. That's not what I said.
Sit in the car.
That is not what I said. I just want to clarify.
Hold on, careful. Hold on, relax.
Let's have her. I'm a little nauseous. I'm sorry.
Put her down. We're going to 10 minutes.
I'm sorry, hold
Yeah, they said it was a 2 622. Let's get an additional 140 suspect playing on Costa. Nice wide, steady shot.
Yeah, the one that actually has fucking tons of shit. Tons of it. Shit was